Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I have done any videos for you guys, but I figured it was finally time to sit down and do a new video. So you may notice that I'm in a new filming location. Do we like it? Give me a big thumbs up and let me know. There's a big announcement at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Today's video is going to be what I'm packing with me to my California trip. Let's get on to the video, shall we? The bag that I am using is this amazing Cotopaxi bag. Shout out to them. I freaking love them so much. But it's this like amazing backpack. It is super roomy. Like I absolutely 10 out of 10 would recommend it. The first stuff that I am grabbing is my shower stuff. Because we're gonna be gone to like somewhere super beachy and we're gonna be getting in the water a lot, we're gonna probably be showering a lot. My shampoo and conditioner, I just went ahead and got the Garnier Fructis, I still don't know how to pronounce that, Sleek and Shine smoothing shampoo, and I absolutely love this stuff. It smells so good, and it helps maintain my hair, so that's good. And I also use the matching leave-in conditioner, and then yeah, I love this stuff. I rave about it all the time. Because I have very sensitive skin, I have to use specific soap, so I get the Dove body wash, the refreshing one. I kind of switch it up, but this is the one that I always go back to. Always smells so good, and my skin does not have any problems with it whatsoever, which is so nice. You can't forget about deodorant because we kind of want to smell good on our trip for obvious reasons. And then I am going to get my hairspray, this stuff. One thing I absolutely love about this stuff is this stuff does not feel gross and sticky on my hair. It just keeps everything in place, and I can use it as many times as I need, and it doesn't damage my hair as much. So that is a plus for sure. Next, I'm using my Deep Action Exfoliating Face Wash. This stuff, I don't even know what it is about it, but I absolutely love it. It helps my skin, the texture to feel 100%, and it helps me to avoid breakouts further. And I can't complain about it. It's honestly the best. I'm also packing this bad boy. My skin freaking loves loofahs. And in here, I have my chargeable toothbrush, which I have just charged. And you can just see that, like, it's just my toothbrush. And yeah, it's super great. And lastly, I couldn't find just one, so I bought a huge pack of these razors. They're mostly for men, but I like to use men razors because, well, they're sharper and they get all the hair off. Like, it's just great. If you guys know me in real life, you would know that I love games of any kind. So, I'm going to be bringing these playing cards. These are from St. Augustine. Shout out to them. And I absolutely adore this place. We actually went to go visit my mission a few months ago. And, yeah, I decided to get these because you never know. You never know what playing cards could do for you. And because my group of friends, it wouldn't be a group of friends without something creepy, because we love creepy stuff. I am bringing this game, Your Worst Nightmare. And honestly, you guys, I just learned about this game about 2 to 3 months ago, and I absolutely love it. So, if you want to play a game, you kind of got to have snacks too. So I'm bringing some fruit roll-ups. Gosh, it has been so long since I have had these, and these are by far the best flavor. I'm not asking for a fight or anything, but I'm just saying that these are honestly the best flavor ever. And then a recent snack that I have been big into is these Gardettos. These are the original flavor, and they are stinking good. They are amazing. Like, I honestly could not rave about them more. So there's my snacks and my games. Next, I'm going to show you guys my swimsuit covers, and I am bringing quite a bunch of those because honestly, when you're going to the beach or the pool or honestly anywhere, you kind of want to have a variety of stuff. And as my mission president always said, variety is the spice of life, so we're going to do it. So the first one that I am bringing is this super cute tie-dye swimsuit cover. I got it from Rue 21. I got this years ago, and I absolutely love it. It's super comfy. Next, I brought this super cute, bright pink one. You can't really see it because it's like, super flashy and like neon and just crazy. But I'm also bringing this one. It It's also super comfy, and if I want to wear it for after the beach, it doubles as that, so I can wear that to the beach, which is also amazing. And then these are going to be very similar, but I also got these from Walmart for super cheap. But I found this adorable swimsuit cover. I love it so much. It helps protect my shoulders and like anything that I don't want to burn. This is really good. It just helps me, and it helps me feel confident, which is great. Next, I am packing, like I said, these next two are going to be very similar. I also got this from Walmart. It's just a tank top version of the dress, so super comfy, breathable. You get it, and I love it. So that's good. We're going to do that. Next, I'm bringing my swimsuits because we're going to California. You kind of need your swimsuits. I'm bringing this adorable tie-dye one, which I love this one. It's always like super cute and it's super bright and fun. And that's just what we need when you're going to California. You should have something super bright and fun. And then I'm bringing this super cute one-piece swimsuit. I think I got this from Ruli, but it was years ago also. Just cute. And then this, I don't remember where I got this from. I believe I got this from Target, but I can't remember right now. So I'm bringing 3 swimsuits and 4 swimsuit covers so I can kind of mix it up and decide what exactly I want to get. So for the day that we're leaving, it's going to be a little bit cooler here. It's going to be like 50 degrees. So I'm packing this set. It's kind of like a lightweight jacket that I got from Lululemon. And then these, I don't even remember where I got these. So I paired this outfit together, and it's super comfy. Here's all the perks. It's comfy, it's warm, and I can wear it as pajamas. And I am bringing 1, 2, 3 pairs of, oh, there's another one. 3, 4 pairs of shorts. And then I'm also bringing a skirt, just in case I just want to be comfy one day and I just say, let's wear a skirt. And then I'm also bringing these super comfy joggers, leggings. I don't even know what they are. But they are super comfy and they are very lightweight, and I absolutely adore them. And then, yeah, I'm bringing like 4 pairs of shorts, which everyone says to wash them every use, but I've actually learned that the more you wash your shorts, the worse of a condition they get in. So we're not going to do that. And then I'm also bringing these leggings / joggers. They're also super comfy, and I'm going to be wearing them on the way home. So it's super lightweight and comfy, so that's good. And as far as shirts go, I am bringing a bunch of different options, so stay tuned for that. I got this adorable shirt. I don't even remember from where. It says the Tickled Teal, but I don't even know where that is, to be honest. So I'm bringing that shirt. And then I just got this adorable shirt from Costco. It's, you can see I still have the tag on it. It is from, oh my gosh, Ella Moss. It's super cute and it's super flowy, which is good for California. Next, I'm bringing this shirt that everybody says it's me. And it says, I'm multilingual, I speak song lyrics, movie quotes, sarcasm, and wail. This is definitely one of my favorite shirts. So, that's always fun. And because I want to be a little bit formal time to time, I also got this shirt. I wore it in Florida and I loved it. It is super flowy, also super cute. And then because I can't live without another good t-shirt, I'm bringing my shirt, Talk to Me Goose. Any Top Gun fans out there? Absolutely. And then I'm going to also bring this super cute shirt I got from Ruli. It just has lace at the bottom, and it's just super light and flowy also. So that's pretty cool. And then in case we decide to go to a fancy restaurant or anything like that, I'm bringing this super cute light dress. It's like super, super cute and super comfy. I absolutely love it. So as far as that goes, I'm also bringing a hat in case I feel like I don't want to do my hair. This is from my Universal Studios, Orlando. So that's good. And then I'm bringing a bunch of socks because, heck, you always need socks. I'm bringing at least 7 pair. We're only going to be gone for like 5 days or so, but you need extra socks for whatever reason. So that's good with that. I am bringing 2 pairs of PJs. I'm bringing this Follow Your Heart, LOL, it says Follow Your Dreams. Follow Your Dreams shirt. I got this on my mission. It's still super light and flowy, and these are the shorts that come with it. Super light also. And then these I got from Costco, these like leopard print pajamas. These I absolutely adore. They have been so nice when it's super hot outside and I want to wear something light and flowy. Those are just great. And because I want to start working out, I am bringing these shorts that I think I got from Walmart, but I can't remember. I got these for my mission, but they are still very good workout gear, so I'm going to bring that. And then I'm bringing this Lululemon shirt, super light and flowy also, and I can just wear it to work out. So that's good. Lastly, I couldn't forget about this. I'm also bringing my shoes. These are some Nike shoes. And these are, if we go on a hike or anything outdoorsy, I'm wearing these. Not only are they super light and comfy, but they're also super, super good hiking shoes. I wore these when I went on a hiking trip a couple months ago, and I had no problems whatsoever. So that's great. And then because we're going somewhere warm, I'm bringing my flip-flops. These are Flojos. Also adore these. These are so great. And these sandals right here, I got from Costco like 2 years ago, but they're still A+. Like, I absolutely love them. And I honestly think that's pretty much it. But I am so grateful to be back, and stay tuned for our next California videos and our vlogs. Just stay tuned for those. Now for the big announcement that I had, I finally made an Instagram for this channel. Yay! Woo! So my comments on here are not working, so I'll post a picture from the vlog, and that way you guys can like and comment, and I guess that's how you can comment on my videos, share your feedback. But anywho, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys for my next videos. Bye.